This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see how we can add email verification to our WordPress website. Let's get started. Now for this video, we're going to need Ultimate Member plugin, Sendinblue plugin, and a Sendinblue account. We're going to start from scratch, so I'm going to set up my SMTP. By the way, if you already have SMTP in your WordPress website through your admin panel, just skip through this step and continue with setting up Ultimate Member. Now let's get started from scratch. As you can see, this is a fresh website. Let's create our Sendinblue account. Go to Sendinblue's website. The link to this website will be in the description, of course, and click on sign up free. If you want to use Google, you can do that or add your email and password. Fill in these details and click on next. We're going to continue with the free plan. Click on continue with free plan. And here we are on the dashboard. Let's continue with installing our plugins. Go to the website and download both of these plugins. Both of these plugin websites will also be linked in the description. Make sure to check them out. Let's go to our dashboard. Go to plugins, add new, and click on upload plugin. First we're going to use Sendinblue. So let's download that first and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Add another plugin, which is Ultimate Member. Open the downloaded zip file and click on install now. By the time plugin installs, let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Click on activate. Now as you can see, both our Sendinblue and Ultimate Member plugins have been activated. Let's set up Sendinblue. Click on Sendinblue. And since we have already created an account, let's fetch an API key. Go to your Sendinblue's dashboard, click here and click on SMTP and API. Click on create a new API key. We're going to name our API key. You can name it anything you want to and click on generate. Now copy this API key and paste it here. Click on login. Now as you can see, click on activate email through Sendinblue. And my sender will be my admin itself. So we're done with Sendinblue. Let's set up Ultimate Member. Click on Ultimate Member. And Ultimate Member needs to create several pages such as user profile, account, registration, login, etc. We will create pages and click on Save Changes. Now once we've created our pages, click on Email and click on this Account Activation Email. Click on its Settings. Check mark this box, and as you can see, we can edit our email. And save changes. Now go to user roles in Ultimate Member. Click on subscriber and click on edit. Head down and click on registration options, and status will be require email activation. Now you can choose admin review as well, and what that means is the admin of the WordPress website will need to review the user. Close this and check mark this box. Now that's it, and head up and click on update role. Now let's try testing our website. We'll go to the register page. I haven't yet added the register page to my menu, but if you want to do that, make sure you follow the Ultimate Member tutorial, which will be in the description. Now as you can see, this is our register page. Let's try it. And let's click on register. As you can see, our account will be activated by clicking on activation link. Now let's see our inbox. Now as you can see, we have gotten the email to activate our account. Let's try activating our account. and we are on the account page of our website. Now this is how you can verify email addresses. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.